Did you know an entire lake once suffocated nearly 2,000 people in a single night? On August 21st, 1986, Lake Nyos in Cameroon killed 1,746 people without making a single sound. No explosion, no earthquake, no warning. For years, volcanic rock beneath the lake had been slowly leaking carbon dioxide into the deep water. The pressure built and built, the way a shaken soda bottle builds pressure, just waiting. Then something shifted. A small landslide, possibly a change in water temperature. Whatever it was, it uncorked the lake all at once. In seconds, a massive cloud of carbon dioxide erupted from the surface and rolled silently down the hillsides in the dark. It was invisible. It had no smell. People never woke up. The gas settled low to the ground, right where people slept, right where animals stood. It simply replaced the air. Survivors who woke hours later found birds dead on branches, cattle collapsed in fields, neighbors gone in their beds. The lake looked exactly the same. That was the most terrifying part.